Okay, so our goal is to find the slope and y-intercept of this line. So the slope is a little bit harder to find than the y-intercept with the b. So I'm going to start with the b, the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, we want to look at the y-axis. We want to look where it says y. And all we want to look for is where this line crosses the y-axis. And it looks like it crosses right there. So the question is it positive or negative? If we're going up above the x-axis, above the origin, I should say, this is called the origin. Let me put origin. Origin. Very good. So if it's up above the origin, we know it's positive, and we're going up 1, 2, and 3. So our answer is 3 for the b, or the y-intercept. Now the slope is a little bit different. I want to find any 2 points on the graph, and I want to look at points to where this is crossing in the middle of this little coordinate plane here. So I see a point right here, I see a point right here, right here, right here, and it can continue on right there. Now I'm not choosing this right here because it intersects in the middle of the line. So I want to look where it's intersecting at the corner of each one of these little graph things. So I can pick any 2. I'm just going to pick these 2 down here, okay? Now what I want to do is I want to focus on the rise over run. So your slope is your rise over run slope. Okay, so we found the y-intercept by doing this one. Now the slope is, I want to start from the one on the left, and I'm rising up 1. So I'm going to put 1 for my rise, and I'm running over 2 times. 1, 2. So my run is 2. Again, my slope is I rise up 1, and I run over 2. I rise up 1 and run over 2. Rise up 1, run over 2. And you can kind of see it start to create stairs. This is telling you the slope of this problem is 1/2. So you can put 1/2 here, or it's also 0.5. You can also see it that way. So again, our slope is 1/2 because I rose up 1 and I ran over 2 to go to the next point. My y-intercept is 3 because it crosses right here at the y-axis.